Alright, so then let's look at this question here, which is on integration. Let's see if I can do this proficiently. So we were asked to find this in the derivative of this in terms of dt. So just gonna differentiate this. Shouldn't be an issue here. 5 2t. So we're gonna use chain rule to do this, right? So 2t plus 1, 3 over 2. So remember the outer layer, which is this over here. Then after which the inner layer, the outer layer, then the inner layer. So what I can do is actually just 1/5 multiplied by 5 over 2, 2t plus 1, 5 over 2 minus 1 would be 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, 1/3 multiplied by 3 over 2, then after which what we get is 2t plus 1 minus 1, which is half, then times 2 again. Okay, so the idea here is we could actually simplify this half and half. Then this is 1/3, 1/3, and half and half. Okay, great. So once this is done, shouldn't be an issue. What we get is 2t plus 1, 3 and 3.5, and 3 over 2, then t plus 1 half. Right, that's it. Then after which, hence or otherwise, find this expression here. I think this is a pretty interesting one. Now, the idea is very simple. What we need to do is we know that differentiating this will give us this, right? Somehow this has to be manipulated. This whole chunk here, okay? Because you haven't learned advanced level of integration yet. So what we need to do is just rearrange this to look like this, okay? So you can see that actually this case here shouldn't be an issue. What we do is we just square root. Just remember 2t plus 1 cube minus square root 2t plus 1. Okay, so if this something cube minus of some, so for example, say I have got a cube minus a, this will be a square minus 1, right? So it's similarly, it's the same thing. Factorize out the root 2t plus 1. This is 2t plus 1. What we get here, cube, so it's 2 minus 1. Okay, bring it out, would be this is 1, then this will be 2 square, then this is pretty okay. Once done, 2t plus 1, this will be 2t plus 1 minus 1. What we get is 2t, this is 2t, right? Simplified. Okay, so there's 1. So we know that from 1, I know that differentiating this would give us this. So meaning to say integrating 2t plus 1 dt would just be that whole thing there. 1/5 2t plus 1, 5 over 2 minus 1/3 2t plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay, so that's that. Of course, you just want the 1, so just divide by 2. That will be t, 2t plus 1 dt equals to 1 over 10. Maybe I'll just do this 1 over 6 plus c. Okay, I like to put it in a rational form, which is like root, the natural form, third form. All right, so that's how I do this question proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.